kneeling pads. These are always something I've had issues with in the past. Just going through them like crazy. Like we just bought a new one, it lasted like 2 weeks. But the thing is, you buy cheap ones or expensive ones and they're both trash. We'll try this out.
Chemical resistant, extremely durable, stores easily. Give them a shot and just disappear. I'll just see how well these work. Because yeah, most times these things just turn into oil sponges. Is this a sleeping mat? The yoga mat? Or the jumbo editions? Holy. We got 2 sleeping mats. The nap mats running under the machine.
I like the colors. Yeah, the color is pretty dope actually. Gucci. Very stylish. It's like a mint ice cream sandwich. Yeah, mint Oreos.